In this video, we are going to be folding the flawless ball. This is a modular design designed and demonstrated by Yossi Nir. This is Leila Torres of origamispirit.com. I am going to introduce Yossi. He is going to be teaching us this delightful flawless ball.
Okay, so hello everyone. I'm very happy to be here with you, and I want to speak some background about this ball-like model. So we are doing a 3D modular origami now, and you may find ball-like models where each module has two pockets and two tabs on opposite sides. And then you will find a ball-like models with 12 units, 24 units, 30 units, 70 units. And my model, which I will show you how to do it, has only 6 units. And each module has 4 tabs and 4 pockets. Each module. So this is the uniqueness of the models, because this is the 1/6 of the sphere, and this will give you a very nice ball-like model. So this model of mine has some kind of little history, because the first publication was on the BOS magazine, number 332. It is on page 35, and then it was published in the Origami USA collection June 2022, and the last publication was when it got this year. It got an award in the South Korea competition, as we hear from Leila. It is very nice, and you can play with it. And actually, you do not need any glue or scissors to use. It holds very nice only by friction. Mm-hmm. So, but and some people said, "Can you do it from kami paper?" I said, "Yes, but you need to do it very impatient." And I did it today for you from kami. This is regular kami, 2 by 2 inches, and it's very nice model to use, and you can really play with it. I did also a very big one, 45 centimeters, the diameter.
And what kind of paper do you use there?
This is 300 grams. Okay. Yeah, and this one, again, this one is 30 centimeters. And this one is from 150 grams. I did also this one. This one is very nice, because if you put it on the ceiling with the wire here and you light it, it's like a disco ball.
Right. Yes.
Because
it will reflect. Yeah, it will reflect.
Or this one too. So any size. Or this one is also nice to play with it. I can play with it, no problem. You see, very strong. So let's begin. We do the origami flawless ball by Yossi Nir, and what I will use for do the unit, 10 centimeter by 10 centimeters squares. We need 12 squares. So each unit actually contain 2 squares. You see, one up and one down. And this is the unit. And when we connect it, we just insert the tab into the pocket. It holds very well. And so this is how we connect the units. And you see, we have a nice view of a ball. two squares for a unit, and we start with the first unit. I take this one to this one, make a valley fold here. I want a nice crease here, and I take the other one and do again edge to edge, this way and this way. Now I take corner to corner, again valley fold, corner to corner, and do a nice crease and do another corner to corner. So this is the first square that we have. We take the second one, the second square, and what we do corner to corner in two directions. This paper, by the way, is 150 grams per square meter.
All the folds are on the same side of the paper. One paper has book folds and diagonal folds, and the other paper only diagonal folds.
Yes. So I took the first square and put it on the second square. I want to make sure that the lines here, this line here, aligned with this one, same here, and all directions. So this is very important to do. I want to make sure that everything is aligned, like so. When I'm sure that everything aligned, I take the lower square and do a valley fold here as far as it goes. I take this as far as it goes. Very important to take it as far as it goes. And I do the same all around. As far as it goes, please. It's very important. Now, I want to put it in this direction.
The paper with the most folds at this moment is on top, and the paper with the least folds, the diagonal folds, is underneath. Look,
by the way, this will be the outer side.
That would be the outer side,
This will be the inner side. The next step is to make a valley fold here somewhere. I tell you how to do it, but it will be a valley fold here, and I want to bring this point here, this one, to this line here. You see here the main crease here, corner to corner, the center crease, and we want to make a valley fold here, and our reference point will be this color change here. I want to put it on the main crease. So I bring like so, you see, if you can see what I did. So I bring this color change to
the central crease.
To the central crease, and do the same on the other side. And then when I have both of them, I can make the crease all along. So this is what we do. So we unfold, we rotate, and do the second one. So we have to do it 4 times. So if you see, I bring the color change to the crease here. This is our one reference point. The other reference point on the other side will be, and I can make the crease. So this reference point here and on the other side. And then I unfold and rotate and do another one. One here, one here, and I can make the crease. And unfold. So this is what you get after the folding, there is a square here inside. We turn over the paper. We have this outer side up. Now I want to make a valley fold here. So what I do this, okay?
Yeah, you bring those folded edges together.
Exactly. So I bring this folded together and make the valley fold and then open. And I do the same 3 more times. So this is what I get. You can see here the tabs and the pocket here. So here is the pocket. This will be the pocket. And this will be the tab. We turn over the paper and we bring all corners to the center. So we do a valley fold like so, and we unfold. We bring the second one to the center and we unfold. All layers. So I bring the corners to the center and unfold.
So we have this, right?
Yes, exactly. Now we turn over. We do a valley fold here by bringing these edges together. And we have to do it 7 more times. So this is what I do. I push here and bring the folded edges together. Bring one folded edge to the other one. And do it 8 times altogether. And this is the unit. You can see you have a round shape here, and you have all the tabs ready for the connection. This is the unit. If you collapse it like this, it will help you later on. Step by step by 5 times, okay? Yeah, 6 units.
And I am going to show them on both sides, 3 on one side and 3 on the other side, just so that you can see.
Okay, so we take 1 unit, we take a second unit, and as I told you, this is a pocket here. Here there is a pocket, you see? There is a pocket. So I take the second unit and put the tab of the second unit into the pocket and just put them together. So they are connected now. You see? So please connect 2 units. You can push here from both sides, so it will be stronger.
Reinforce.
Yeah, reinforce. If we take the third unit, we want to connect the third unit to the 2 of them. So one will be here and the other will be here. Okay, is it understood? I connect it to 2 of them. So let's start with 1. And we go to the next one. So now we have 3 units connected. You can see 3 units. Actually, it's half of the sphere. Sorry. We take another unit and continue to connect. So connected another one. The fifth unit will be connected to 3 units. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Yeah, now we have actually 5 units connected. Yeah, we have 5 units connected here. Now we want to do the last one. And the last unit will be connected to 4 units. Yeah, very nice.
Good,
Good
yes.
job.
Yeah.